Turn on the power. Click Reset. Insert the cylinder rubber strip. Click the positioning board. Align the fabric with the positioning board. Place magnetic pressure plate. Click Welding. Wait for the fabric welding to complete. Click Mold 2. Thread through the T-bar. Click the positioning plate. Align the fabric with the positioning plate and press it down. Click Welding. Wait for the fabric welding to complete. Click Mold 3 and insert the zipper. Click the positioning plate. Align the fabric with the positioning board. Press with the pressure plate. Click Welding. Wait for the fabric welding to complete.